Hi and welcome to Knitwell Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is a particularly grey day. Now we're going to try and do the outside of this as quickly as possible because I've got a funny feeling it's going to pour down the rain literally any second. So what have we got? We've got a 2024 model Auto Sleepers Broadway FB. It's 7.2 metres in length. It's got 4 berths, it's got 2 travel seats, and it is a 3.5 tonne unit, so you can drive it on a standard driving licence. And with it being 7.2 metres, it's very, very roomy on the inside, but it's not too big. It's still more what we consider to be sort of an average sort of a size. So let's have a quick look around before we get wet. So as you can see, we've got R10 grey for the cab, or as everybody else calls it, silver. This one is a 140 manual. We've got alloy wheels just there. Of course, we've got a solar panel on the roof. That's where you can put in your aqua pump. So again, you can pump your water in if you so wish. Underslung gas tank. So with the underslung gas tank, it's underneath the vehicle. They tend to be 25 litres. That gives you 20 litres for gas and 5 litres for expansion. It's great because you don't have to have gas cylinders on the outside, and especially if you're on the continent, because everywhere's LPG filling, or more places are LPG filling, I should say. Electric hookup points. Cassette toilet, pre-installed for a bike rack, and of course we've got your reversing camera just up there. And when you look underneath, we have got a full-size spare wheel under there as well. You've also got your rear corner steadies down there. Now we do have access underneath the bed just here, but I'll show you that when we go inside. Gas barbecue point, and we have an external 230 volts. Again, that's lovely when you've got the awning out and you're sat out on a far nicer day than today. Got your fridge vents here and here, and your flue for your heating. That's if you just want to fill up your freshwater tank with a hose, which is far easier. And then we've got like a dirty locker just down there, which is great for your levelling chocks and all those sorts of bits and pieces, toilet chemicals, electric cables. Let's get inside because it's starting to drizzle. So it's obviously far nicer in here than it is out there. And again, we've got some lights on so you can see how well it's lit. In the cab, we've got the reversing camera just there, media center here. Now that is an Apple CarPlay unit. It's DAB. It's a very, very nice system. We've got traction plus, we've got hill descent, we've got cab air conditioning, steering wheel controls with your cruise, and of course your radio. Electronic handbrake, electric mirrors, electric windows. We've got full cab lines going round. So you've got all your toys, and of course space for 2 large cups of coffee, which on a long journey is essential. Both captain seats swivel, which again is great. Now this van has 2 travelling seats and 4 berths, and the reason being is you've obviously got these 2 long bench seats just here, and that can be made into a double bed or it can be used as 2 singles. So it's great if you get somebody who literally comes over for the evening and wants to spend a bit of time with you. We do have a proper fixed bed at the rear. If we want to make these up into 2 singles or into a big bed, a big transverse, well, we literally do that like this. We will just turn this one round. Now, to use it as a single, you would just pull that across, drop that down, and you can see, let me move those over there for a second, and I'm not going to put my feet on, but you can see there is space just there for a single bed. Now, it works better as a transverse. And to do that, you literally slide that out, you drop the backrest down there, exactly the same on the other side. Let's pop that over there for a moment. And again, like I say, if the kids turn up, or you've got the grandkids but you're not going far afield, it makes up a bed. So if you've took the car with you, it's very easy to put them up, and as you see, it can be made up in seconds. And like I say, that will literally swivel around there, so if you want to use it as 2 singles or as a transverse double, it's up to you. But the main thing is it's very, very simple to do and very, very quick to do. We'll just pop that back up. And that goes back on there. There you go, how quick was that? Now, we've also got good storage. So we've got storage up above the cab, and of course we've got lighting all around your panoramic skylight just there. Switch for these lights is just here. More storage just above each bench seat. And again, you've got your reading lights here, and they will swivel along this bracket. So again, you can have them where you want them. More storage. And again, you've got your reading lights. You do have an extender just there for your work surface. And you do have another extender just there for your work surface. But you're never short of a little bit of work surface in a sleeper. They're very, very good when it comes to that. And of course, we've got your sink with your drainer just there. Mixer tap that can move. A proper oven, which again is one of the great things that sleepers do, because you've got your 3 gas hobs and you've got electric hot plate, sorry, for when you're plugged into the mains. We've got an extractor fan just above, and we've got a couple of 230 volts just here. More storage up above. And a sleeper would not be a sleeper without the 4 cut glass goblets just there. More storage over this side, but we're going to that in a second, because here we've got your 12-volt control panel, which again will control everything on the 12 volts on the inside. We've got your Truma heating system. Now, they're gas and electric when it comes to heating, so you've got gas for when you're wild camping and electric for when you're plugged into the mains. More storage just on top of here, and again you can see you've got a TV aerial points just there as well, and the switch for your electric step. Table is a standalone, and it lives in its cupboard just here. Now, the great thing with this, of course, is the fact that you can use it outside the van or you can use it inside the van. We've got a really big 3-way just here with a completely separate freezer compartment on top. Large fridge underneath. And of course, you've got your microwave just there. A bit more storage just up above. And then, again, come back to your oven. We've got separate grill just here. And we've got your oven just there. Now, storage wise as well, you can see we've got good drawer space, cutlery drawer just there, and excellent cupboard space underneath. So lots for your pots and pans. And even there you can put your kitchen roll holder. So again, you've got somewhere for everything. Here, of course, we've got your wardrobe, and you will see you've got your Wi-Fi aerial just there, and you've got your TV aerial booster just there. Got your coffee table and the leg for your coffee table, which just pops in between the driver's seat and the passenger seat. And even more storage down below. Now, in the bedroom, you can see we've got your French bed. You've got another aerial point in here as well. So the compromise with the French bed, of course, is whoever's on this side has to climb over whoever's on this side. But the advantage is it gives you this, which is your bathroom on the side, which means that you're not either putting it in the centre or at the back and then turning a 7.2 metre van into the best part of an 8 metre van. So it maximises the space and gives you a lovely open plan feel. For 2 people, it is a great layout. You can see the mattress is very thick and very comfortable, and it does give you good storage underneath. Now, like I say, you can get to that from outside, or we can get to it from the inside, and we've got your boiler just there as well. And then your washroom. So again, you've got towel hooks just here. We've got a skylight above, which is great for getting rid of condensation. Wash basin, toilet, and again, that will swivel in all directions. 2 good sized mirrors just here, and a proper shower. Now, you've got 2 plug holes in here as well. So again, it's great for dispersing the water. And it's a good size. We've also got a mushroom vent up there as well as having the skylight and a window. So condensation shouldn't be a problem. But as you can see, you've got lots of headroom. You've got lots of space. You can actually have a shower in here. We've got more storage as well, which is just underneath here. So plenty of room for your toiletries, and it is heated as well. And you can see you've got your duct just there. And there we have it. This one, like I say, is a 24 model Auto Sleeper Broadway FB. For 2 people, it's a fantastic layout. So again, everything will always be a compromise in any van that you go for, but there tends to be a little less in something like this. So thank you for watching our video, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Bye-bye.